Hi, Tina. I have your scan from the other day. I'm just taking a quick look at it. I want us to focus on a few things and have some goals for this next 12 weeks, okay? And the main thing that we're going to focus on is definitely losing body fat, all right? So if you take a look down here since your last scan, which is March, your body weight didn't fluctuate much, which is good. But you did lose, 2 point, not a lot of skeletal muscle mass, but 2.2 pounds. That's not a lot. And you did gain a little bit of percent body fat. So you gained some body fat, all right? So I don't really want to take too much time comparing this scan to March. I just want to focus on today and moving forward in the next 12 weeks and what we can potentially do to, get you healthier and to get you to reach some of your goals of weight loss and body fat loss. All right, so if you just take a look here, scan is recommending 69.4 pounds of body fat loss. If we can lose 20 of that in the next 12 weeks, I would be super happy. Losing 1.2, 1.3 pounds per week of body fat. If we can get this number here, your body weight, to be under 200, that would be like a huge celebration. But we need to make sure that the body fat that you're losing, the body weight that you're losing is in the form of body fat, okay? Your dry lean mass, you have 30.6 pounds of muscle cells, which is good. And if you take a look down here at your skeletal muscle mass, all right, that's your bones and muscles together. This arrow here indicates below average for your gender and height. This dash here indicates average. And then this arrow here indicates above average. As you can see, your skeletal muscle mass, 64.8 pounds, that's your bones and muscles together, is above average. You're at about, I'd say 140th percentile. So you do have a good amount of muscle for your gender and your height, which is great. Now we just need to get that muscle to help you lose body fat. All right, so you have 47.4% body fat. Now, if we look down here, one thing that's concerning me here is that your leg strength is not over 100% able to support your body weight. Okay, so your arms and trunk, 122.9% able to support your body weight, and that's even the 219 pounds, 120.9% your left arm, which is great. Your trunk is 111. But your right leg and your left leg is 95 and 95. So I want to see you, two main goals for you for this 12 weeks. Losing body fat and increasing leg strength. So even if this skeletal muscle mass number goes up, that's okay. All right, but we definitely want to see you losing. Ideally, a good goal is to have this number, 104 pounds of body fat, looking at 84. Okay, so how the heck do we, let's go back here. I don't want to jump ahead too much. So right here, I think you're familiar with this. This is where your body fat is. And no, we cannot lose body fat. But in the next scan, when you've lost body fat, it'll show you where you've lost it from. All right? And then this is your visceral fat levels. That's that internal scary fat that's around your organs. You're at a level 22. 10 and below is considered healthy. So as you're losing body fat, we'll see this visceral fat levels go down. All right, so now let's talk food, okay? I don't know what you're doing to track or what you plan on doing, but we need something. I need you to count calories. I need you to weigh food. I need you to put in a hard 12 weeks of getting your food on track, because that is your only answer right here. Okay, you can't outwork a bad diet, all right? I'm not saying your diet is necessarily bad, but I think a thing for you even worse is that you don't eat enough sometimes, a lot, and you go long periods of time without eating. So we need to come up with a tracking system that's going to work for you. Is it counting calories? Simple enough. Is it counting macros? Very difficult. Some people like it, most people hate it. Is it the circle boxes that you can use in your nutrition packet? Okay, we got to come up with something. But really, this number right here is your magic number. 1,500 calories a day. If you consume that and you exercise on top of that, you will lose body fat. If you don't get that though, if you don't get 1,500 calories, you will not lose body fat. So if you get 1,200 calories, your body's gonna say, okay, not enough food here. I'm staying in storage mode. I'm not letting any of these cells go. And you won't lose any weight in the form of body fat. Okay, because again, if you get like 1,200 calories, body says, I don't have energy. I'm not going to let any of these cells go because I don't know when I'm going to get energy again. Okay. In addition, if you're getting a lot more than this, an abundance of calories, then obviously you're not going to lose body fat and you won't lose body weight in the form of body fat. So a goal is we need to figure out how many calories you're getting in a day. We need that to be 1,500 and we need that to be consistently be 1,500. So you got to track. Okay. Let me know if you have questions. I will see you tomorrow afternoon. I don't know what days I'm going to be seeing you because I know you're 2 days a week with me. I'm kind of just going to leave it up to you. If you want to give me a note in advance that you're coming, fine. If not, I'll just see you when I see a type of thing. I don't know how you want to do it. Or if you want to do like Monday, Wednesdays, or whatever. You tell me what you want your schedule to be. All right? Okay. I will talk to you or see you tomorrow afternoon. Let me know questions.